Did you know that getting rich doesn't always require a large budget? Financial independence means something different to everyone, but it's something that all of us here strive towards. Welcome to Forever Finance, where we want to live our lives our own way. Stick around as we break down actionable steps you can take, regardless of your current financial situation. With the cost of living increasing, causing financial strain on many Australians, it is more important than ever to figure out how to build wealth. Let's start with the foundation of wealth building: understanding and managing your money. Step 1. Budgeting. It's crucial to know exactly where your money is going. Have an honest think to yourself. When was the last time you checked your bank balance and statement? Comment your answer below and make a promise to yourself by getting into the habit. Begin by tracking all your income and expenses for a month. Use a simple spreadsheet or a budgeting app like WeMoney or You Need a Budget. Categorize your spending into essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and non-essentials like dining out, entertainment, and shopping. Compare your income with your expenses. The goal here is to ensure you are spending less than you earn. This surplus, no matter how small, is what you will use to build wealth. Look for areas where you can cut back. Can you reduce your grocery bill by buying generic brands or planning your meals? Can you save on utilities by being more energy efficient? Every little bit helps. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. An emergency fund acts as a financial cushion in case of unexpected expenses, like medical emergencies or car repairs. Start small, even if it's just $5 a week. Consistency is key. Statistics show that 45% of Australians do not have enough savings to cover an unexpected $1,000 cost. This is a concerning statistic. We should all work at making that number smaller. Put this money in a high-interest savings account. While the interest earned won't be substantial, the main purpose of this fund is safety and liquidity. Look for online banks that offer higher interest rates than traditional banks, and make sure the account is easily accessible in case of emergency. It can be tempting to invest this money into index funds or bonds. But regardless of how defensive these options are, there is still no guarantee that this money will be there when you need it. Your emergency fund is not something you should risk. Step 3. Eliminate debt. Debt can be a significant barrier to building wealth. Focus on developing a plan to be debt-free. Use strategies like the snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first for quick wins, or the avalanche method, where you target the highest interest rates first to save more on interest. The hardest part of this step, but arguably the most difficult, avoid accumulating new debt as much as possible. Consider consolidating high-interest debt into a lower-interest loan if it makes financial sense. If you are finding this or any of our videos helpful, please like or subscribe. It helps the channel continue to reach more people, while telling us more about what you want to see. Step 4. Start investing. Investing might seem daunting, especially with minimal income, but it's one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth over time. Begin by educating yourself about different investment options such as stocks, bonds, and index funds. You don't need a large amount to start. Many platforms like Self-Wealth, Raise, or Perla allow you to begin investing with just a few dollars. Take advantage of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow. Even small regular investments can accumulate significantly over time. Consider setting up automatic contributions to your investment account to ensure you're consistently investing without having to think about it. Step 5. Increase your income with side hustles. Supplement your primary income with side gigs. Freelancing, the gig economy, or selling handmade crafts online can provide additional revenue streams. Identify your skills and interests, then explore opportunities that align with them. Technology offers anyone access to almost any market. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Etsy can help you get started. Even a few extra hours a week can make a difference. Think about tasks you can do locally, like babysitting, dog walking, or lawn care. Step 6. Invest in yourself. Education and skill development can open doors to better paying jobs and career advancement. This self-investment can also result in an increase of confidence. Look for affordable or free resources like online courses, workshops, and certifications. There are many places, both private and government, that offer some of these courses for free or low cost. Continuous learning can significantly boost your earning potential over time. Consider learning new skills that are in high demand, such as coding, digital marketing, or project management. Step 7. Practice frugality. Living below your means doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's about making conscious spending decisions. Cook at home instead of dining out, buy second-hand items, and find free or low-cost entertainment options. Every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested or used to pay off debt. Embrace elements of a minimalist lifestyle by focusing on what truly adds value to your life and cutting out unnecessary expenses. Step 8. Leverage your community. Networking and building relationships can provide opportunities for financial growth. Join local groups, online forums, and social media communities focused on personal finance. You can exchange tips, share resources, and even find new income opportunities through these connections. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth and referrals. Your network can provide valuable support and guidance on your financial journey. Nothing great in history was ever achieved alone. Your financial freedom is something that is truly great. Don't try to take this journey alone. If you are finding this video helpful, share it with a friend or family member. Financial education needs to be shared to everyone. Step 9. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. This ensures you're consistently putting money aside without having to think about it. Consider opening a savings account with another institution or hiding it on your app. This will trick your mind by making you think you don't have access to this money. Automating your finances can help you stay disciplined and prevent unnecessary spending. Look into apps and services that can help you automate and optimize your financial management. Step 10. Set long-term financial goals. Define what wealth means to you and set specific, measurable goals. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or retiring early, having clear objectives will keep you motivated and focused. Break down your long-term goals into smaller, achievable milestones and regularly review your progress. Create a vision board or a financial plan that outlines your goals and the steps you need to take to achieve them. Regularly review and adjust your plan as needed. Keep track of your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. This will help you stay motivated and committed to your financial goals. Step 11. Involve your family. If you have a family, it's important to involve them in your financial journey. Discuss your goals and strategies together. A collective effort can make the process smoother and more successful. Your family members can help you stay accountable for your goals to ensure you achieve them. Teach your children about money management and involve them in budgeting and saving activities. This not only helps you achieve your goals, but also instills good financial habits in them. Step 12. Celebrate small wins. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each step forward is a step towards financial freedom. Recognize and reward yourself for achieving milestones, whether it's paying off a credit card, reaching a savings goal, or making your first investment. These celebrations can keep you motivated and remind you that your efforts are paying off. Remember, building wealth with minimal income is entirely possible with discipline, patience, and strategic planning. By following these steps, you can create a solid financial foundation and achieve your long-term goals. Check out this video to learn more about habits that will help you build wealth, and we will see you next time on Forever Finance.